Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix CS2 crashing on startup. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I always suggest to do is to go and update your operating system. So go to Windows Update and update your operating system if there is an update. Also update your GPU drivers. So depending on what you're using, go to that particular GPU app or go to Device Manager and update your drivers to the latest ones. In my case, I just need to go to a new app, settings, and then not settings, drivers, and there is a option for me to install latest drivers here. Next thing what you need to do here, you need to go to Steam, go to CS2, right click on it, go to properties, and then here you need to write -autoconfig and -windowed and force to open CS2 in windowed mode. And after you put this line, just hit play and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then go to graphic settings on your computer. Then here go to advanced graphic settings, and then here make sure hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is on, and then look for CS2 on this list here, and make sure CS2 is on high performance, right? If you cannot find on this list, just add exe file here. And the next thing what we need to do here is to reset CFG files. And to do so, we need to go on search and look for Steam. Right click on it, open file location, then right click again, open file location again. Then you will see on this list user data. Press on that, and then it will be a lot of numbers here. So the next step what we need to do here is to open up Steam, then go to profile name, then copy this link here, go to a browser, and then you just need to write Steam ID Finder, and then you just need to put I will show you this way. You need to put the link and then leave it with only the numbers, right? And then search. And then on Steam ID 3, you will see the number here, and you need to match with the folder. So last numbers for me is 3733, and we need to, on the folder, we need to look for the same, 3733, right? So click on it. Then all you need to do here is to delete 730 folder here. It's all CFG files stored here. Next thing what you need to do here is to go back on Steam. Go back on Steam. Go to library, go to CS2, properties, install files, browse. Then what you need to do here is to go to game, and then you need to look for CS2 exe file, right? And then delete that file here. Next, what you need to do here is to go to, as you can see here, under the install files should be verify integrity of the game files. So we need to press on that. After files is done verifying, just launch the game and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then what I suggest to do here is to again press browse. Then again, you need to go to CS2 exe. You just need to go to game, bin, Win64, and then should find CS2 exe. Right click on it, go to properties, compatibility, and make sure to disable full screen optimizations and run this program as admin. If these options is selected for you, then deselect it, and then look if the problem persists, and it should fix your problem. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like.